Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Very good to hear that. Okay, what we have studied in our previous class? Yes, correct answer. Akshay and Aryan's holiday. Yes, we have studied the story of Akshay and Aryan's holiday. Okay, students, now let's check how much we remember from the story Akshay and Aryan's holiday. In today's class, we will learn how to arrange the events of the story. Okay, and arranging the events is called sequencing events. Fine. Good readers sequence the events in a story while retelling it. We sequence the events into three parts. Now we will sequence the events into three parts. The first part will be beginning part of the story. The second part will be middle part of the story. And the third part will be ending of the story. So what happens in the beginning of the story? See what are the characters and what is setting. So I'll tell the characters. Characters means the people in the story. Suppose Akshay and Aryan's holiday. So there are two characters in the story, Akshay and Aryan. And also we have seen they were with their parents. So total number of characters in the story are 4. Akshay, Aryan, mother and father. Okay, and the setting is where the story has taken place is called the setting of the story. Where and when. Okay, so the story has taken place on a sea beach. So what is the setting of the story? The sea beach. Okay. Now see what happens to the characters and how are the characters different than they were at the beginning of the story. Okay, now let's start sequencing. In the beginning, Akshay and Aryan come for a holiday to a beach with their parents. They both go surfing in the sea. Now in the middle, Aryan gets scared. Akshay and Aryan come back to the beach. Akshay feels sad. Akshay feels sad. Now ending of the story was Aryan wants to try skateboarding. They go skateboarding. Both of them have a lot of fun. Now coming to blends. I have already told you what blends are. Blends are when we combine two sounds and the combined sounds is called blends. So here we will combine the two sounds b and l, and the combined sound will be blur. The combined sound is blur here. So in the first picture you can see a color and the color is blue. The color is blue. The second picture you can see what is it? What is that? Yes students, those are blocks. The third picture you can see there is blood. In the third picture you can see blood. In the fourth picture you can again see a color that is black. Now again we are having two more blends, GL blend and SPL blend. So the first example of GL blend is glass. The second example is gloves. Third example is globe. And the fourth example is globe. Then SPL blend. Now here we have combined three letter sounds, that is S, P and L. So the combined sound will be spl. The combined sound will be spl. The first example is spleen. The second example is splash. The third example is splat, and the fourth example is split. Glenn sees blue blocks. He likes the color blue. He feels glee. He sees a blue globe. He feels glad. He sees water. Wow, this is blue color too. Splish splash. Let us play in the water. Now this was a rhyme that has bland words. Okay, students? Now, as your homework, what you need to do is read the story once again and try to arrange the story in three orders: beginning, middle and end on your own. Okay, what you have to do, read the story once again and sequence the story, the beginning of the story, middle of the story and end of the story. Write in your notebook and share it with me before 5 p.m. in the evening. Okay, thank you, students.